Hey y'all, Danielle here from Large Family Homestead. We are heading out early this morning to our Azure drop. Thankfully, it has moved closer to us and it is much smaller. Instead of taking an hour to unload the truck, it takes us about 10 minutes. So we are pulling out the driveway now, and Brooke's gonna show you what we got when we get home.
All right, we're back. It's Brooke, and I'm gonna show you guys what we got. So we got, I think it's 14 plants here for $30.70. Because Bailey and Mom are going to start an herb garden, so I won't show you every plant that they got. They can show you when they plant them. Okay, we got 2 cases of the Organic Valley Creamer, and each box was $27.05 each, and then that makes each container $4.51. Alright, we got a 5-pound box of the Landmark Pepper Jack cheese, and this is raw, for $27.03, and that makes it $5.41 a pound. And then we got 5 pounds of their cheddar cheese as well, which is $26.79 for the box, and $5.36 per pound. Alright, we got 6 pounds of mozzarella cheese to shred for $23.51, and that makes it $3.92 per pound. Then we got this calico cheese it's a 5-pound block for $25.71, and that makes it $5.14 per pound. We got 10 pounds of the Sierra Nevada cheese sharp cheddar for $67.54. That's $6.75 per pound. We got a 6-pack of the sprouted wheat bagels, and this is the cinnamon raisin flavor, for $26.14, and that makes it $4.36 per pack. And then we got 6-pack of the sprouted wheat bagels everything flavor for $26.14, and that's $4.36 per pack. And we got 40 pounds of the ambrosia apples for $59.95, and that's $1.50 per pound. And then we got 40 pounds of the Yala apples for $56.75, and that's $1.42 per pound. And these Fuji apples, 40-pound box, was $54.75, $1.37 per pound. And we have here 40 pounds of pears for $52.25, and that's $1.31 per pound. And we have 50 pounds of potatoes here. There's 10 5-pound bags for $64.25, $1.29 per pound. And we got a little 2-pound bag of lemons, and it was $5.95 for the whole bag, and then about $3 per pound. And we have this fruit and veggie variety pack for $42, and I will leave a video in the cards above of us unpacking this and showing what's in it. And you can see some of the stuff that we got here on top. Here's 40 pounds of alfalfa pellets for our cow for $30.92, 77 cents a pound. Here's 14 pounds of banana chips for $41.53, and that's $2.97 per pound. And last but not least, here's our May sales flyer. Now, total with shipping and minus the Azure cash, it was $745.25. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment, and let us know what you guys got in your Azure order. And we'll see you all soon. Bye.